Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put your Facebook cover photo on private. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Facebook, click on the Create New Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you that setting your cover photo to private on Facebook isn't a straightforward because Facebook's default settings make cover photos public by nature. Alright, so you have to take that into consideration. However, the thing is, you can limit the visibility and control the privacy of your cover photos to some extent. And number one is going to be changing the audience of your cover photo post. By that, what we're going to do is I'm going to add a cover photo here. Now, you can also do this on your mobile device. Just open the Facebook app and try to add a cover photo. Now, I'm going to hit on it. I can choose a cover photo or upload a photo. Now, once I have uploaded a picture here, you can drag to basically strategize on the location. Now, as you can see, your cover photo is public, so there's no way for you to change it to private because that's the essence of having a cover photo. The thing is, you can limit the audience of this one because when you click on Save Changes right here, alright, you can hover to the ellipsis button here, and there's an option that says turn off notifications for this post. That means if you have friends here in Facebook, they won't be notified that you have already uploaded a new cover photo. At least in that sense, you're going to be able to control the privacy on the audience. Now, let's try that in our Facebook mobile app. Now, on the mobile device or the Facebook app, I'm going to add another cover photo. And I'm going to upload a new photo, all right? And from here, there's an option that says share update to news feed. All right, so don't click on it so that when you upload your new cover photo, you can limit the audience, all right? That's why it's a little bit like restricting the privacy control for your cover photo, but that's not entirely like making it private, but at least you have a level of control, right? And once your photo is uploaded here, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.